we're a small boutique marketing firm, mostly doing digital marketing. We have a team of 6 people scattered around the U.S. and a nice cadre of clients. So we're always looking for tools that can simplify what we do and streamline what we do, and to some degree automate what we do. Before Straico, we had difficulty in creating artwork that was unique and just wasn't the same image over and over and over again. We had looked at other AI tools that generated artwork, and they were always problematic, especially in rendering lifelike humans. And and for some reason, most of the AI tools can't figure out that a human being has 5 hands that come off, 5 fingers that come out of off a hand on a wrist. So we would have 6 fingers. We'd have these. It looked like Martian hands on a lot of this, and so it was unusable. And then along comes Straico, and I said, I'm going to give this one a shot. And what I really like about it is, one, it'll render 4 images simultaneously, and then I can choose from them. But its capability, when I give it prompts, it is really amazing as to the quality of the artwork that is generated. Found you on AppSumo and said, hey, I'll give it a try. I thought it was going to be one of these apps that I wasn't going to use just like everyone else, but I'm willing to invest some money into trying it, hoping that it works. And I was so blown away with the capabilities. And that was before you added like the next generation of AI. I can't remember what you guys call it. So now we have these beautiful images, and we use these on the website to illustrate the blog articles, but we also use them on social media to promote those articles. And so our social media posts are now filled up with beautiful artwork that Straico has developed for us, and they're all unique. Now we're able to do with Straico what I'd have to pay a designer or an illustrator several $100 to do for a single image, and I'd have to give them a week or 2. And now I can go into Straico, and for pennies per image, I can have images created in 30 seconds, in a minute. We had a client. It was a doctor's practice, and they were starting a wellness program. And he asked me if I could create artwork for it. And so their wellness program is based on 7 pillars of life. And it's things like relationships, self-care, nutrition, those sorts of things. So he has these 7 pillars of life. And so I went into Straico and I described what these pillars were. And I said, I want a really beautiful image that's inspirational, that has these 7 components, these 7 pillars embedded in there somewhere. And the artwork that came back, it's now on, they have it on their t-shirts. They have it, they have it in their email marketing. The image that came back was just absolutely mind-bogglingly beautiful. The biggest thing is just the overall quality. The artwork that's generated doesn't look like it's AI generated most of the time. And like that image I just showed you doesn't look like it would have been created through AI. My advice is always have it create four images. And, it takes a little bit longer. You're using, 4 times as many coins, but having a selection to look at is determining which one best fits your needs. Don't shy away from using the different sizes, because it works well, in my experience, no matter what size you select.